Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make an exquisite, simple, natural wine. I saw this drink on Instagram actually, and I decided I wanted to make it. But you know me, I always like to make things my own way. So I decided to spice it up a little bit. Let's get started. So I have here some seedless red grapes. That's what I'm going to be using. And it's good to use as much grapes as possible. Now you can use black grapes, green grapes, purple grapes, etc. So I'm just removing the stem. And then I'm going to wash and sanitize them off camera and set them aside. Next up, I have a fresh medium-sized beetroot. I'm going to prep that. I'm going to dice it into cubes. So guys, if this is the first time you're here, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make healthy juices, drinks, and delicious food recipes. I upload videos every week. Please join the family, hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. Do check the description box for the exact recipe of this wine. Beets are quickly becoming a staple on my channel. They're such a beneficial vegetable. They're a good source of potassium, minerals, and electrolytes. And drinking beets juice may help to keep your potassium levels optimal. Beets juice have also been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved blood flow and lower blood pressure. Now I'm going to add all the contents to my blender, that is the red grapes and the beets. And then I'm going to add my secret ingredient, which is green cardamom pods. This is a divinely scented spice that gives this natural wine a special kick. I used about 10 cardamom pods. Then I'm going to add some water. However, I want my natural wine to be strong and flavorful, so I'm just going to make sure that the water level in the blender is about an inch below the contents in the blender. So what's next? Thoroughly blend it and sieve. And there we go guys, an exquisite natural wine. It is a perfect blend of fruit, vegetable, and spice. This is a must try guys, for real. It's all natural guys, no added preservatives or sweeteners, just fresh and organic ingredients. However, if you want to turn this drink into a sort of cocktail, you can add a fizzy drink like Sprite or soda water to the wine on the rocks. Now that would be fantastic. So my friends, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. It really helps. Also, like I said, this wine is a must try, so I'm looking forward to your feedback. Please try it and leave your feedback or leave your comments in the comment section. Also share the video at least once in your social media circles and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao.